$800 one-time check for all the Social Security recipients including people on retirement, SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, and all the Medicare beneficiaries. So if you are one of those 63 million beneficiaries, then this could mean a lot of money for you and your family. And how this works, we'll be going to break down all the important details right here into this video. We are seeing some new announcement coming right from the administration, and today we'll be going to break down what it means for you and your benefits. So without further ado, let's get right into all the details. Alright guys, now today in this video I wanted to talk about some new announcement out of the administration and what could it mean for this year in 2023. Specifically, I wanted to talk about a one-time check going up to $800 which is being sent out to millions of fixed income beneficiaries, and this one including people receiving Social Security, retirement, disability, SSDI benefits, and Medicare. Now this one is a part of a Build Back Better agenda from the late 2021, and this check could be the real blessing for a lot of people. Honestly, I think this check could be an excellent opportunity for those who are on a fixed income beneficiaries. This could mean a lot to help out them financially. So if you are one of those out of 63 million beneficiaries, be sure guys, keep eye on to this very important one-time check. Alright guys, now talking about the details, there are tons of different provisions provided in the Build Back Better agenda. This one including a one-time $800 one-time check for about 63 million fixed income beneficiaries. And the Build Back Better Act, one of the primary goal of the Build Back Better Act is the lower healthcare cost. And we are talking about $800 one-time check for about 63 million fixed income beneficiaries, which I have mentioned at the earlier at this video. This one including people receiving SSDI, Medicare, Social Security benefits, basically to help out older Americans access affordable hearing care by expanding Medicare. So well, how does this exactly works and how can you get this? If you are one of these folks, how can be eligible for the $800 check? That's a great question, and let me talk you through all the important details. So first of all, you need to be a fixed income beneficiary, and that includes a lot of different people on Social Security recipient, basically Social Security Disability Insurance, people receiving Medicare, Medicaid, and Supplemental Security Income or SSI. So basically, if you are one of those folks, then you could be eligible for $800 checks. However, there are certain restrictions. Of course, it's a one-time payment and you can get only once, but if you are able to get, that's a big deal. And honestly, that's what the Build Back Better agenda is all about. So let me talk you through all the details and how can you get this one. Now again, if you are eligible, first you need to check your eligibility. If you are on one of those 63 million fixed income beneficiaries, you are likely eligible for the $800 one-time check. Now this one-time check was originally a part of Build Back Better agenda that was introduced in year 2021, and the Build Back Better agenda was a huge spending bill that included many of the provisions, and one of them was a $800 check for fixed income beneficiaries. Now the real question is, how do you get this $800 check? Now first you need to check your eligibility. If you are one of those 63 million fixed income beneficiaries, then you are likely eligible for this $800 one-time check. Now guys, speaking of the Medicare expansion, talking about important issue on expanding Medicare to including hearing and dental and vision coverages. As you may know, Senator Bernie Sanders, when it comes down to Medicare and Social Security, you know what? Senator Bernie Sanders is a huge advocate for this important change. He wanted to make sure that seniors and Medicare beneficiaries have access to hearing aids and glasses. Unfortunately, the cost of dental coverage was too high, so the plan was given to all 63 million Medicare beneficiaries a one-time $800 prepaid card for dental coverage. While this is a nice gesture, this isn't enough to truly cover the cost of the dental care for all of those 63 million Medicare beneficiaries. And that's the important reason why Bernie Sanders suggested increasing the Medicare benefits to individuals already covered by the Medicare so that they can use the extra money to get their own dental and vision coverage, and this way each individual can get the best decision for their own needs. And that's basically the suggestion provided by Bernie Sanders. Now, you know what guys, how important it is for seniors to have access access to healthcare, the medical help that they need. So therefore, expanding Medicare to including hearing, dental, and vision coverages is the best way to ensure that they have the coverage that they need. Now, talking about the potential of the Medicare and how it could expand into including hearing and dental vision coverage, back in the 2021, government proposed one-time $800 payment for dental coverage, but many people in the community were wondering why we couldn't use the money for other things like groceries and other kind of stuff. I mean, how do they really know whether you are spending it on groceries and not dental coverage or vision? I'm not saying you should generally do that, but here is the thing, guys. Basically, they know everything, so don't even try it. Now, here is the thing. With the new Congress in place, the administration is talking about bringing back some old provisions from the Build Back Better agenda. And this one includes expanding the Medicare and including hearing and dental vision coverages. Now, the question is, will they really expand Medicare to including hearing, dental, and vision first? Or probably they will go straight to all the Medicare for everyone. Now, let's say if they talk about Medicare for all first, then we have to wait and see how it all plays out. The potential of the Medicare expanding, including hearing, dental, vision, and all those coverages for healthcare in the country, that would definitely give more people access for the care that they need without having to worry about the cost of those. And that would be really a game changer decision. Now, here is the thing, guys. Speaking of those Medicare talks, over the last couple of years, there has been a lot of talk about the possibility of Medicare for everybody, but estimates for this plan came out to around $30 trillion over, of course, 10 years of period of time. Now, honestly, this is a huge amount when it comes down to the spending, government spending. You know what? If you take a look at it, it's like about $3 trillion per year. That is a huge spending. Now, if you were to expand the Medicare, including hearing, dental, and vision services, then $800 one-time prepaid card could come in handy in a big way. But however, guys, considering the cost of Medicare for everybody, it doesn't seem like it's likely going to happen anytime soon. So basically, if you are looking a way to cover hearing, dental, and vision costs, then $800 one-time prepaid card could be the best option. But will they really do it? Well, that could be questionable thing. Well, guys, it doesn't seem like they are likely gonna do it anytime soon. However, this is an exciting prospect, and I believe it's not going to happen anytime soon. However, it's possible that it could happen in the next 5 to 10 years, in the upcoming years, when it comes to Medicare expansion. Now, on the other hand, I don't think it's something that should have been done a long time ago. Think about the expenses that Medicare beneficiaries have to pay for their hearing, dental, and vision costs. For example, if you take a look at your glasses, well, glasses are very expensive. Talking about those hearing aids, those can be expensive as well. You know, it comes in couple of thousands of dollars. Dental costs can be tremendous. Now, if a Medicare expansion is going to happen, then it's likely that it will be to form those one-time $800 card to all the beneficiaries that can use to purchase their own dental coverage. And this is most likely scenario I could see as of right now. But of course, nothing is set in stone as of right now. Nothing has been fixed. Now, speaking of the Build Back Better agenda, some of the provisions within it, well, those can be really beneficial for low-income people on fixed-income household. I know that can be a little bit of hard to keep track of all the important changes to understand what is available in terms of benefits, but that's the reason I'm right over here to break down all the details for you. So remember, guys, apart from that $800 prepaid card used to cover all those expenses, the Build Back Better agenda also includes other provisions that can help the low income people on fixed income households, and it's very important to keep track of the changes and agenda, how it's going right now, and it's very important to understand what is available to us in terms of benefits. I always bring out the latest and the greatest update that's out there, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel with all the bell notification turn on, and this is Kedar. I will see you in the next video.